Welcome back. Today we are going to start to break those cycles one by one. If you write down yesterday in your journal or piece of paper, do you notice any of your stress patterns? If you do, that is a huge win. And let's talk about how can we reduce our stress fast, because sometimes you don't have the time to do an hour-long meditation if you're at work, or just pack your stuff and go have a weekend fun, right? It would be a little challenge for most of us. You can't think the weight out of your stress. You have to move it through your body. And here's the quick way to do it. First one might sound a little weird, but it's actually quite normal, and you will see that a lot in an animal. We start shaking and vibrating. Even dog shape after they got stressed. If you pay attention of it, they usually shake their whole head and the body and the tail, remember? And then usually panthering, pull their tongue out, their whole body is vibrating. I'm not trying to ask you to do like a dog, but just gently shake it or do like that vibration in your own space, and when you can find a quiet and comfortable space, try to do that. The second one is put one of your hands on your chest and one on top of your belly, and take a deep breath in and breathe out. And between those breaths, I want you to hold 1 second and breathe out much longer. I would say 4 seconds, breathe in, hold it 1 second, and 5 seconds, breathe out. So you breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, hold it 1 second, and breathe out. You also can do is breathing out, make it the sound like if you notice when you sigh it out, your inside body is vibrate, also start losing all the tension on your chest, on your shoulder. So a little bit related to the first one. The third one is get your stress ball. I currently don't have it with me, but I used to use this gratitude stone. I just hold it on my hand, kind of squeeze it if you have felt stress, or instead of spin the fidget thing, a spin on the table like this, they will make some sound, and then grab it again and just hold it tight sometimes. Fourth one is meditation, but sometimes you cannot do it, especially when you drive it. You can do it, then I will suggest you try breathing or hold something tight. You can have grabbing something to make you feel grounded. Fifth one is using one of your sensation and just focus on one of it. So we have all 5 sensations. Hold on, 5. Yes. Seeing, touching, smelling, hearing, and taste. Choose one of your sensation and focus on it. If you're using hearing, find one hearing you can hear and just focus on that instead. If you're outside, maybe focus on birds chirping. If you are using seeing, maybe focus on a coffee cup in front of you. If you are smelling, if you try to focus on something smell nice, or if you are tasting, what did you eat earlier? Find one sensation to ground you instead of open all 5 sensations and overwhelm you. So try it out and let me see how it works. Okay, toward the end, I want to share with you a video about a polar bear, how he react when there's a stress coming. It's a video from a while back, and it's basically he's waking up from the tranquilizer. First thing, he's shaking very heavily, and then starts slowing down to breathe very deep and slow. And I want you to pay attention of that video because we are so much similar just like that. And I'll see you in the next one.